Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke cindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uyithole zonke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizole ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza-ke wona-ke lapho-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe manje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje lesi-ke MK-ke laphana sikhiphe isitatimende-ke laphana-ke imemezela-ke kubalandeli-ke beqembu-ke laphana-ke ngomunye-ke oyilunga-ke ohambile-ke kwi-MK ngenxa yezizathu-ke ezihlukene-ke laphana-ke. Ngizokufundela-ke lana-ke incwadi-ke ekhishwe i-MK-ke ebibhaliwe lapha, kufundile yonke-ke imibhalo-ke ebibhaliwe-ke. Incwadi-ke ibithi Office of the President to CDE Atazwane, Dear CDE Zwane, Subject Appreciation Letter. This serves to express my heartfelt appreciation for the outstanding and priceless revolutionary work you have done for the MK Party. Owing to the need of using our limited and available human capital efficiently, I have decided to relinquish you from the Secretary General functions with immediate effect. I will soon engage you regarding a new role you can play in a dynamic organization as MK Party. You are expected to hand over to the newly incumbent in the office of Secretary General. Warm regards, Mr. J.G. Zuma, President Umkhonto Wesizwe Party-ke. Lena-ke beyincwadi-ke ebibhalwe-ke i-MK-ke laphana-ke esho ukuthi-ke uMr Zwane kuyaphuma-ke laphana-ke esikhundleni sakhe-ke sobu Secretary General laphana-ke base yasho nencwadi ukuthi izomnika-ke isikhundla-ke esinye-ke ekuhambeni kwesikhathi-ke basazobheka ukuthi isona siphi-ke abangamnika sona-ke laphana-ke. Mina ngizocela laphana singene ama-comment section-ke ufishe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke usena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke masicindezela ibhathini nje subscribe nje kubiza imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke ngilethele nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke lana-ke. So ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi subscribe. Ngiyabonga.